So, I just returned from my first LARP ever. Hey guys, I'm an orc. It's me, Taban. Felbis Productions fantasy game, Contera, a few weekends ago.
He's a door. Secret door. Secret door. Secret door.
Despite some travel problems, which if you were at the game, you know all about.
It is Saturday and I am still not at Contera. Last night we were stranded at Little Rock.
Despite all that, I had an amazing time. The game itself was so much fun, so much more than I expected. Like, I totally expected to feel like super awkward and like nervous and embarrassed, but that kind of flew out the window once I finally got into character, especially thanks to my lovely orc partner, pal.
My other orc friends.
Hey.
Hollow neck for life.
The players really brought their A game with incredible costuming, diverse characters, and interesting and amazing roleplay and scenarios. Like, I got to witness a lot, and it was pretty freaking great. Like, there's really no other way to describe it. I don't really know what else to say except that it was awesome.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. You search but you stay lost. We're reaching for the stars. We're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take.
Can't wait for my next LARP, and I can't wait to see what next year's game brings. Thank you all for such an amazing experience, a first time experience. It's just so fun to play with. They're all great. They're all great. Yeah. Peace out, my dudes.
Oh. You start recording now.
Okay. This is blooper reel right here.
Here we go. Okay, I think it's right here.
Okay, it's recording.
I'll just stand in front of it.
Shuts off so fast.
You got like 2 seconds.
Okay, that's not gonna work.